So the next effect I'm going to show you is how to do a glitch effect on After Effects. You might have seen this one around. It's really, really good to use if you want to give your videos that sort of videotape feel. So what we want to do is we want to create our composition, and we're just going to go quickly chuck our graded clips in there and offset them so that they're not overlaying over one another. Then what we want to do is we want to create a new adjustment layer and chuck that adjustment layer over the length that you would like the transition. Next, we're going to go to Effect, and we're going to put a fractal noise effect over that adjustment layer. This, now you can see, actually creates this kind of really weird, interesting noise effect, but we actually can't see the image under it anymore. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go select the blend mode to screen, and now we should be able to see our shot below it. So at the start of the transition, what we want to do is we want to set a keyframe so that there's no glitch effect at all. And then at the end of the transition, we just want to play around with it. There's loads of parameters to mess with here, so I'm not going to run through them all with you. It's not really an exact science, but just play around with it and see what you think looks cool. Now you can see that actually we've got this glitch effect fading in. But to be honest, I'm actually still not totally happy with my glitch effect. I think it could look a bit weirder and a bit more interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and add the ripple effect to that adjustment layer. The ripple effect is like a ripple water effect, so it's a slightly weird one to use over your glitch transition, but it happens so quickly that actually I think it just adds a little bit of texture to the transition there. Again, play around with the ripple, whether you want it to fade in or fade out using T for opacity, or whether you want it to run through the whole effect. It's all just down to personal preference, so play around with it and see what works best. And there you go, there's the glitch effect all done for you. There's a lot more to go into there, but I just wanted to really quickly show you guys how to do it. I'll often actually pair this effect with some of the stuff I've been doing with the RGB channels, so make sure to check out my other video if you want to find out how to add some drastic color changes to your glitch.